In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel for trading signal. If you found this video, please consider liking and subscribing. First, I open Telegram on my Android phone. If you are Apple user, same method. Just follow my instruction. Then I'm to click on this. I'm to click on this plus icon. Then here are new channel. New channel. Then create channel. Then you need to set up a channel name like a b c. You can set your own way. So I decided to this name I'll choose. Then here the description, you can try anything. I recommend it for short and smart description you get on here. Then this is a plus icon, you can add your own logo, otherwise you can add a emoji. Then okay, I decided this is my logo. Then click on tick mark. Wow, now I will decided this channel will be make public or private. Then you can decide it which one you want. Then this is a public link, so I decided to add 3s. That means ABC trading signal. You can add any others as well. So okay, this link already taken, so I did not need an add on here. So you can see this is possible and available. Then click on again tick mark. Wow, now you need to add some people on here. Then for example, I add this and friends. Then click on next. Okay, you can see my channel are already done. Now I can post, create and anything on here for my audience. You can see, okay, my channel are already done. I can post everything. You can see. Thanks for watching. See you again.